So I had a question the other day about buy stop orders and putting stop losses in the system for ThinkorSwim. This is where it's a bit annoying in several steps that it takes to put this, stop losses in the system or, multi-bracket orders. If you come up over here, let's just say with this, we'll just use the stock EDHL for just an example. First step when using a mouse, you got to right click and then you come down here and you see there's buy custom, sell custom. And when I hover over it, you can do with an OCO or one cancels other bracket, stop loss, and stop limit. So let's say I use with buy stop. You'll see step number 1 is click on it. Step number 2, now you got to decide what you're going to do. You have to adjust the shares. Do you want a limit order? Do you want a market order? You put in time and sales day. You got to go through this whole process. So step number 1, you have to look at it. Step number 2, adjust the number of shares. Step number 3, click, well, there's several steps here depending on what you want to change. But let's say you want to put in a stop limit and let's just say 643. Now you see down here, you want to adjust your stop. So when you adjust your stop, let's just say 623 as a stop. Then you got to go and confirm and send, make sure that this is all correct. Then you press send. So that's, for a buy stop order, that's how long it takes to go through it. So several steps there. Let's say you wanted to do a sell stop, right click again, sell custom, stop loss, whatever you want to sell at. And then, then let's say put your stop above, whatever, let's say 622. Oops, 622. And then confirm and send. So you'll see that several steps, a bit annoying with ThinkorSwim. You can use Active Trader. So you can click on Active Trader over here. And then the only thing I don't like about it is with Active Trader, you have to kind of like pull it out right here. And, you can adjust the columns up over in here, however you like, whatever columns that you want to have over there. What I don't like on it is I have a 4 chart setup and you'll see it really scrunches the screen. So, personally, I don't like using Active Trader that way. So if you want a multi-chart setup with ThinkorSwim, you want to do buy stop, sell stop, or put your stop losses in, you come to go up over here, custom order. So you can do stop by itself, stop by itself. So you can have, again, I'll just do a stop order. Let's say 495 or 595. We'll do 575. And then you'll see right up over here, buy the shares with a sell or with a stop loss here. So that's how you can put a stop loss in the system by itself. Still, again, a few steps. It's a bit annoying to do, but that's how you do the stop orders, buy stop, stop losses, sell stop in the system with ThinkorSwim.